Using Zelle can be a convenient way to send and receive money. And the best part is that it is free. To get started with Zelle, you first need to check if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. Most major banks do, and you can find a list of participating institutions on the Zelle website. Once you have confirmed that your bank offers Zelle, you can enroll in the service through your bank's website or mobile app. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. To send money with Zelle, simply log in to your bank's website or mobile app, navigate to the Zelle section, and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can then enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. One of the key benefits of Zelle is that it allows you to send money directly from your bank account to someone else's bank account, eliminating the need for cash or checks. This makes it a great option for paying friends or family members back for expenses, or for sending money to people you trust. When using Zelle, it is essential to be cautious when sending money to people you do not know. Zelle does not offer the same level of buyer protection as credit cards or other payment services, so it is crucial to only use it with people you trust. In addition to being free, Zelle is also fast, with most transactions being completed in a matter of minutes. This makes it a great option for emergency situations, such as when you need to send money to a friend or family member quickly. To keep your Zelle account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if it is available. You should also monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity and report it to your bank immediately if you notice anything unusual. Overall, Zelle is a convenient and free way to send and receive money, as long as you use it responsibly and with caution. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of Zelle and enjoy the benefits of fast and free money transfers.